What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Voxies token on Coinbase. So you need to log into your Coinbase account, and if you don't have one yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So once you have done that, go to the search bar and search for Voxies. And then you will find the Voxies token. Select it. Now you will open the price chart with the current market price and of course some time frames to select to see what this coin has done in the past. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find some information about this project and also the coin stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply and the all-time high. Now if you scroll back up to the right top, then you will find the trading options. There are basically three trading options: a buy, sell and convert option. For this video we are using the buy option, and on default the one-time order is selected. A one-time order is a single order for the current market price. But if you are planning to buy these coins on a more often base, then select it and set up a recurring buy option to set up automatic purchases during a daily, weekly or monthly time frame. So that is basically a very nice strategy if you use the DCH strategy. But for now we will select the one-time order, and we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order. So let's say 1000 euros. Here you will see how much coins you will receive in return, and below that we need to select our payment method by clicking on it. Now if you click on it, this list will be opened and you can select your preferred payment method. If your preferred payment method is not available in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select it and go back to the overview. Now always double check the coin you have selected to buy, because sometimes it is not working properly. So definitely check that out before you review your order. Now click on review order and the order review will be opened. And as you can see, we are paying fees towards Coinbase for using their platform. But if you would like to save yourself a lot of money and you don't want to pay those fees, then try out the Coinbase One subscription. It is free for 7 days, so you can try it out for free. And after those 7 days, it will be around 25 euros a month. But as you can see, we are already saving up to 38 euros on this trade alone. So you are already profitable by using their subscription. Now, once you have decided to buy these coins, click on the buy now option, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!